guys, welcome to Food Lovers Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very tempting and delicious dish, that is red sauce pasta. It is believed that pasta is originated in Italy, but it is also believed that it was brought from China to Italy by Marco Polo in 13th century. So now, without wasting any time, let's begin with our recipe. So for the recipe, first we make red sauce, and for that first we will need 4 medium sized tomatoes roughly chopped, 2 small sized garlic, 2 medium sized onion, 1 tablespoon sugar, 5 to 6 basil leaves, red tomato ketchup 3 tablespoon, 1/4 tablespoon black pepper powder, oregano and chili flakes. So first I have took the non-stick pan and add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Here we can use virgin olive oil or any refined oil. Here I have took refined oil. As you can see, the oil is heated. Now I will add in the chopped cloves of garlic. Here I have took chopped ones because when we grind it in a grinder, there are no big chunks of garlic left in it. Now we'll saute it. Now we'll add in 2 medium size of onion and saute it for 2 minutes. We will cook it on low flame so our onions have turned translucent and light brown in color. Now we'll add in chili flakes ½ tablespoon and oregano ½ tablespoon. And we'll mix our spices. We have mixed all our spices and our onions have also turned brown in color. Now we'll add in chopped tomatoes and mix all the ingredients well. Now we'll add in the basil leaves. If you are available with mixed herbs, you can add that also. But as I was not available with them, I have added in the basil leaves. You can add in either of two. Next goes in salt as per taste and black pepper powder. Now we'll close the lid and let our tomatoes cook for 5 minutes. So our tomatoes are cooked. Now we'll break it with the help of a spoon, and because it will not consume too much energy while grinding and will save your time. Now we'll add in sugar and red sauce, ketchup, and mix the ingredients well. You can see that the red color is looking very tasty, and I'm thinking that I would eat it now. But now let's look further what to do. So our tomatoes are well cooked. Now we'll off the stove and let it cool down. After it gets cooled down, we will grind it in the grinder. So now we begin with the recipe of making the pasta. So for pasta, first we will need the sauce which we grinded. Then here I have tomato ketchup. Here one small capsicum long chopped, and 1 small onion also long chopped. Here I have took penne pasta and oregano and chili flakes. So now let's begin with the recipe. So first we have took 3 to 4 cups of water in a container and we'll let it boil. So our water has started boiling. So now we'll add in salt as per taste and ½ tablespoon of oil. Now we will wait till it gets completely boiled. So you can see that it has started boiling. Now we'll add in penne pastas. You can see that the bubbles are coming out. Now we'll cover it with a lid and let it cook till 5 to 10 minutes. You can see that it is boiling, but it is not easily breakable. So we'll wait till the pastas are easily breakable. So our pastas are breaking now. So now we'll turn off the gas and sieve the water out and strain the pastas off. So we sieved the pastas off and added some cold water on it so it gets cooled down easily. Now we'll take a non-stick pan and add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using refined oil. You can here also add in olive virgin oil. So the oil is heated. Now we'll add in the onions. We'll saute the onions till they become translucent and light brown in color. So our onions have turned light brown in color. Now we'll add in the capsicum and saute. We'll saute the capsicum and onions till the capsicum becomes soft. Now we'll add in the pizza pasta sauce and mix the ingredients well. We cooked the pasta sauce ingredients before, so there is no need of cooking it much. Now we'll add in the red ketchup. Next goes in oregano and a bit of chili flakes. Now we'll add in our penne pastas which we boiled before. Now we'll mix our ingredients well. So you can see that how good color it has got. We have mixed it well. Now we'll cover the lid and let it cook for some time. So you can see that the sauce is covered on the pasta. Now we'll off the flame and serve it in the serving bowl. So we have served it in the serving plate. Now first we'll garnish it with 2 basil leaves. And now we'll topping it with grated cheese. So our Italian red sauce pastas are ready. You surely try this recipe and your kids will love it. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.